Hey everyone, I know that a lot of you guys are new to Google Classroom, so I wanted to give you a little bit of a walkthrough through the phone app. This could also be accessed on a tablet or on their Chromebook, but the phone app is really cool because you can do a couple of different things. So once I go into the app and your kid signs in, you first thing I want to show you is the to do section. So this shows you assignments that have yet to be done. So, like, these are assignments that don't have a due date. These are assignments that are past due. Now, obviously, those are from 2018, so we're not going to worry about those. Assignments that are coming up, so on and so forth. Also shows you what has already been done. So, if you just want like a quick overview, then that's one place to go. If I go to an individual class, I can see that I have just some announcements that are here. Okay, but I like to go to the classwork tab. Now, all of the things that are pink on here are things that have not been submitted yet. Things that are gray and grayed out have already been submitted. So if I go here, I've got my directions. Then I swipe up, I can see that I've already been given a Kami assignment that goes with it, but I know that I want to attach work with it. So where it says add attachment, I click that. Now you can select something from your drive. You can select a file that might be on your phone. You can pick a photo that's from your camera roll, or my favorite option is the use camera. Okay, you will have to allow access to your camera. Okay, then I'm going to be able to take a photo and use the photo. Once that photo is uploaded, I'll be able to turn the document in from there.